Hello, people's of the internet. This is Max with the Lollipops. You can see I'm so amazing. Yeah, you know. And today we're going to be doing a what's inside video. Don't blame me for copying because this is my own idea. Yeah. So today we're going to be breaking open. Let me get the thing. Razer DeathAdder. Okay. So you can see it's fully functional, except it doesn't work on my computer anymore, which sucks. So yeah. Let's just get right into breaking this thing. But first I need some supplies. And I'll get that in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, no, then. 3, 2, 1, now. Bam, that was totally not a cut, but as you can see, we got a butter knife and a screwdriver. These can both come in handy. Well, let's just start with trying to pry open this left mouse button. Oh, dude, that was easy. You can see it's open now. You can press it back in. Then pull it back up. You can pull up this one also. Pretty easy. And if you can see, there's like that little thing right there. You see that right there? That's the thing that actually registers a left mouse click. So yeah, that's that. So that's pretty interesting. Now, I wonder if there's... Wait, let's just try to... Oh, dude, this rubber plastic absolutely sucks. Look, I can just easily bend that. So let's just do it with the same one as this one. Oh, shoot. This one has more of a pullback. Whoa, dude. Look. Right there. This is the left mouse, and that's the actual thing, I think, that registers a left mouse click. And also, for some reason, there's just this random space right here. I don't know what that's for. Wait. Ah. Okay, I can't really pull it off, but that's fine. Ooh, look. I'm pulling off the rubber from this. I wonder if I can get this off. Butter knife to the rescue. This is tougher than you think it should be. Okay, this is hard. Wait, I got a good... Yes! Check it, I got that. I'll simply cut it out. Okay, I might need a sharper knife to cut this, because I don't think a butter knife will do the trick. Saw it off. Oh, dude, I actually got it. Check it. Nice. So let's pull this out. Well, look at this is a whole scroll wheel right here. Well, that's cool. Oh, it feels really weird also. And then here's the actual part that scrolls. You can still scroll it around. Okay. Now I gotta crack open this plastic shell so you can like get to the stuff on the inside, which is the actual interesting part. Ugh. Okay, this is hard to do. I don't really have any ideas on how to break this. Yeah, this is hard. This is actually really hard to get open, so. Dude. How am I supposed to do this? Okay then. Let's just try using the screwdriver. Let's swap this around. Alright. Now let's try to pry this open. Okay, I think we're slowly getting it. But again, this is like 20 times harder than you guys think it is. I got it lodged in, so now I'm trying to... Okay, I'm getting sort of chunks out of it, so I'm gonna see if I can get it from right here up to here. I might need a actual knife, not a screwdriver or butter knife. Ugh. But I think I'm slowly making progress. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when I make that dent. Okay, guys, I just did something really cool. So I snapped the part right here that connects it. So maybe I can like pry the rest of it open somehow with this knife. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, this is hard to do. Yeah, this hasn't really done anything, but I think I almost got the wheel out of the scroll wheel. So that might be good. Oh, I just made another crack. Okay, so this is working. I gotta do this. Yes, pry it off. Yes, I got that piece off right here. As you can see. So now we have that hole right there. I see another spot where I can get this open. Ugh. This is actually really hard to do. Ugh. Ugh. Come on! Okay. Oh, yes, I made another crack right here. Please. Just get it open. Okay, this is like near impossible. Yes, got another piece off. Let's put that right there. We're so close to getting to the insides of this thing. Like, I don't even. Yes, please. Yes. I got something. Please. Something fell loose. So now I can. I just cut myself. Ow, hell. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get a Band-Aid. Be right back. Ow, hell. Alright, so I just got my Band-Aid. Ow, that freaking hurt. But let's get back into this. Come on, I want to get this thing out. Oh, phone fell over, rip. But literally, it's loose, but it won't come out. Come on, just break. Oh, shoot. I just made a major dent. Let's try running this through here. Ah, yes. Hopefully you guys heard that crack. Ah! Okay, there's one more spot I need to... Please. Alright, dudes. I'm just gonna get back to you guys when I get into the middle of this thing, because I don't want to waste all this time recording, so yeah. Alright, news. I just got the actual wheel of the scroll wheel out. like it fits into the rubber thing like that. So yeah. And I'm so close to the inside of this thing, like I can smell it. So yeah. Alright, so I just noticed that the cord right here, it goes deep inside of the mouse, so I'm just about to go cut it. So yeah, this could go majorly wrong. Let's do this. Alright, got me my scissors. Simple incision. Yeah, cut it. Okay. So that's all of this off. Trash that. Alright. But there's still more cord. Like, I don't want to break the actual, like, board of the mouse on the inside. Even though I probably have. Alright, I'm so close to getting the inside wire cut. You don't even know. Come on, cut! It won't cut. Literally, it's so close to cutting. Yes! I felt something. Please? Alright. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna pause. Alright, guys. I'm a lame person, so I've given up. This shell is so hard to break open. You don't even know. Like, look. Hold up. I can't even make a dent, like, right here by doing this. Grabbing my screwdriver. Doesn't make a dent. See? So, sorry this is kind of a lame ending. But, I have one more idea. It's gonna suck. Let's try it before I fully give up. Let's do this crap. Wait, hopefully you can hear this. There's rattling in there. I broke something. Not like I haven't broken it already, but... Oh, shoot. I like it how it just flies everywhere. Yeah, literally, I haven't even made a tiny dent. Right here, absolutely nothing. Wait, but I haven't used the other side. Oh, shoot. Oh, whoa, I can make scratches. Okay, one last good hit, and then... Oh, I just popped the mouse button back into place, lol. Oh, okay. Well, one last good hit before I give up. Yeah. Let's try the backside. Yeah, this is doing literally nothing. So I guess that'll do it for this video. Hopefully you guys can see this, but this is what's inside of a Razer DeathAdder. So that's it for this video. This is Master of the Lollipops. Peace out.